So today we are going to discuss homonyms, and today this topic homonym will be completed. Before we begin discussing new remaining homonyms, I would like to have a exercise. Okay, so you will answer in your chat box. I will show you the word and you will give the homonym for that word. Okay, so quickly we can have just exercise just for a few minutes and then we will discuss the remaining homonyms, and after that we will have discussion regarding CIE1 exam. So oral, can you give the homophone for this word? Hmm. Only one reply, Kishan has replied. What other people are doing? Hmm. Okay, one oral is spoken and oral means something that you can hear. Okay, give homonym for the word birth. Hmm. Okay, giving birth to a baby and birth a place, okay, in bus or train where we sit and sleep. Can you give homophone for the building, houses, building, wall? What is the homophone for build? Yes, it is build, BILLED. Yeah, paying amount, that is build. Now break means pause, tea break, lunch break, or break means to break something into pieces, breaking the glass. Very good. And BRAKE, that brake is slow down the speed of vehicle. So every vehicle we have brake. Censor, censor means to prohibit. Very good. Stimulation, sensor in the remote phone, sensor in the mobile. Complement, complement to each other, helping, helpful to each other, that is complement. And compliment means very good to praise somebody. What is flare? Flare means increase in the fire. Something is burning and something liquid, kerosene, petrol. If it connects to that type of liquid, it gets turns into flames, increases suddenly. So that is flare. And flare is the talent. Yes, very good. Forbear. Forbear means to refrain from, to stay away from. Refrain from mobile phone. Stay away from mobile phone. Mobile phone is forbeared. Okay, FORE. Forbear means ancestor. Very good. Our forefathers. Forward. Okay, book has forward and moving forward. Very good. FORE and FOR. Fourth. Fourth means back and forth. Fourth means ahead, front side. Hmm. Fourth is the number. Foul. Hmm. Foul is offensive, rotten, and foul is bird. Chicken, geese, domestic bird. Eight, the manner in which animal people walk. What is the homophone for this? It is gate. Very good. A barrier. Gilt, gold coating, and gilt. Gorilla, gorilla ape, and gorilla member in the military. Hail, yes, very good. For hell, yeah, belong to. And hail means healthy. Hail means mm, healing, repairing, coming back to normal situation, and heal is the back part of the foot. Hold, mm, human, human beings, yes, kind act, gentle, benevolent, human. Desert, desert is the wasteland, useless land. For desert, double S, ice cream, sweet, eminent, very famous, popular, outstanding, highly renowned. Yes, imminent, something about to happen, very close, near to happen. Haze, disturb, distress, and phase, time period, time duration. Fourth, fourth number. Yes, moving forward. Eight. Gate. Hail. Hmm. Healing. Mind healing. Loath. Dislike. And loath means unwilling, reluctant. Idle. Keyword for idle. Very good. Idol. Celebrity or Bhagwani Murti. Idol. Idol. Both are pronounced idol. Later. Later means after some time. We will do it later. What is homophone? Double T. Yes. Later means second one. When two things are mentioned, second is later. First is former. Leak. Water leaking. Unintended flow of water from the pipe. Very good. Green onion. One type of onion. Leak. Lesson. Decrease. Reduce. Very good. Life lesson. Lesson. Something to be taught. Something to be learnt. Lightening. Reducing something. Heavy. To make something from heavy to light. Yes. And electric. Thunder. Thunderbolt. Loan. Temporarily. Giving. Taking money. Yes. Car loan. Home loan. And lone means alone, solitary, only one, single. Loose, adjective, loose jacket, feet and loose, tight and loose. Very good. And lose means to forget something, misplace something. I lost my keys or losing weight. Mail, mail, electronic mail. Very good. Mail. Okay. So it is for the mail correspondence, communication, and male is it is the gender, masculine gender. We have two types of gender, feminine and masculine. Masculine is the man, they are called male, and female. Very good. Manner, manner and attitude. Okay. Eating manner, discipline, public manner, and manner is the building. Manner is a way of doing or behaving. It is our behavior that is manner, good manner, bad manner. Dune pipes install the plumbing in a workmanlike manner. Workmanism. Manor is a building. A house in estate. The chauffeur drove slowly up to the manor. Chauffeur means driver. Up to the manor એટલે કે house. Countryside માં કોઈ large area, jungle, away from human habitation. Rich people, they usually have houses in the estate, in the open large area, in countryside, means in the village, rustic atmosphere. You can see the picture, having a large area. Marry is to marry, to get married, wedding. It is to wedding. And here, marry, eat, drink, and be merry. Don't worry, just eat, drink, and be merry. Means be happy, cheerful. Merry means to be happy. Eat, drink, and be merry. Merry means to wed. A medal means Phelps. You can see Michael Phelps winning 23 gold medal, 3 silver medal, 2 bronze medal. They are medal. And also we have double D at the middle. Medal. Medal means interfere. જ્યારે બે લોકો કોઈ વાત કરતા હોય તો વચ્ચે ઇન્ટરફિયર કરવું. મેડલ. Pakistan and India. America is interfering between these two, means meddling. So don't meddle into our discussion. Don't fear interfere us. Yes, very good. Morning, good morning. Start of a day. Sunrise. And morning means sorrow. When our relative beloved dies, we are in a shock. So mourn, to express the mourn, the shock. શોક વ્યક્ત કરવો એમ. Muscle means body muscle. When you go to gym, you do exercise. What do you do? For the making your muscle strong. બરાબર, આપણે બોડીમાં શું હોય? ફ્લેશ અને સ્કિન. હવે સ્કિન જે છે એ કઈ રીતે ફ્લેશ સાથે કનેક્ટેડ હોય છે? બીકોઝ ઓફ દેર આર ટિશ્યુઝ. બરાબર. સો મોર એક્સરસાઇઝ યુ ડુ, યુ eat very, vitamin, calorie. What happens? Muscles are, they will become strong. And muscle means one marine bivalve, edible marine bivalve. You can eat. See the picture. This is bivalve. દરિયામાં સમુદ્રમાં એ પ્રકારનું હોય છે. One type of bivalve જેને ખાઈ શકાય છે. It is called mussel. It has double S-E-L. Pail. Pail means bucket. Plastic bucket. And a pale means dull in color or dull face. That is pale. P-A-A-I-L. P-A-I-L. And P-A-L-E means lacking in color, pale blue, આછો blue, pale face એટલે કે ફેસમાં જ્યારે ચામ ન હોય ત્યારે ફેસ કેવું હોય એકદમ ડલ. તો ડલ ફેસને શું કહેવાય? પેલ ફેસ. લેકિંગ ચામ, લેકિંગ કલર, પેલ. પેન, pain means physical or emotional pain, suffering. And pain means glass piece or section of a door or window. બરાબર, ડોર કે વિન્ડોમાં આ રીતના જો સ્ક્વેર આકાર કે ઓવલ આકારનું જે ગ્લાસથી સ્પેશિયલ જે સેક્શન બનાવવામાં આવે ડોરમાં, વિન્ડોમાં, એને શું કહેવાય? પેન. You can see the picture, the section of glass made either in the balcony, in our window or door. They are called pane. Parish means to, your left side parish means a district where it has its own church and clergy. ઓકે, એવું કોઈ ડિસ્ટ્રિક્ટ જેને પોતાની ચર્ચ હોય અને પોતાના અપોઇન્ટેડ ક્લર્જી હોય, એટલે કોઈ એરિસ્ટોક્રેટિક ડિસ્ટ્રિક્ટ, પૈસાવાળા ખૂબ રિચ પીપલ હોય એ લોકોને શું હોય? પોતાનું પ્રાઇવેટ ચર્ચ હોય, જ્યાં બીજા કોઈ ઓર્ડિનરી લોકો અલાઉડ ના હોય. ધીસ ઇઝ ઓનલી મેન્ટ ફોર ધ રિચ પીપલ, aristocratic people. So it is called parish. Parish also means right side, it means to die. You can see the church, private, made by aristocratic people, rich people. Parish means to die, stop existing. Patience, the ability to remain calm, even when dealing with someone or something difficult. ડિફિકલ્ટ સિચ્યુએશનમાં પણ કામ રહેવું ને શું કહેવાય? પેશન્સ, ધીરજ. ધીરજના ફળ હંમેશા મીઠા હોય. The teacher showed infinite patience for the students struggling with the reading material. Patients admitted to hospital. Now, people who are sick, nurse had several new patients to get to know that week. Now, in the hospital, there are many patients admitted. They have disease, they have problem, they are sick, they are ill. Okay, so loath is a dislike, and loath means unwilling to do something. Later, we discussed. Lesson we have discussed. Rules we have discussed. Morning we have discussed. Patience and patience. With this, here we end homonym. There are nearly 70 homophones in your syllabus. As far as Monday's paper CIA 1 is concerned, you have to prepare first 30, in which you have to understand meaning of word. How will homonym will be asked in the examination? Meaning is important. You have to understand the word. You will have four options. Blanks will be given. You will be asked what is the meaning of to die. So you have two words perish. So there will be four such related word. You have to remember the spellings. What is the spelling for the church? That is also called perish. And what is the right spelling for the to die? That is also called perish. So in such a way you have to remember them. You will be asked to prohibit something. What does it mean? BAND or BANNND or BEN or something like that. So such questions will be asked. So meaning you have to prepare, and you have to prepare in that way that you remember the spelling. Otherwise you will become confused. Or else what you have to do in reading skill. In reading skill you have to remember four types of reading skills and methods of reading. So you should know what is subvocalized, what is proofreading, what is speed reading, what is SQ3R, what is the full name of SQ3R, survey, question, read, recite, and review. You will be asked what is extensive reading, what is intensive reading, meaning of this types of readings, what is scanning, what is skimming. So total there will be 30 questions containing each question containing 1 mark. So total marks you have is 30. And you will have paragraph. You have to read paragraph and answer the question. There will be 5 such questions. You will get the answer within the paragraph. So total you have 45 minutes, and within 45 minutes you have to attempt 30 questions. So I think you should devote 10 minutes for the paragraph, 5 minutes for the reading, and 5 minutes for the answer. You need not to write because there are MCQs. You have to only select the correct answer, so it won't get much time. Then there will be 10 MCQ on active and passive. Okay, in a question, sentence will be given and four options. You have to choose the correct one. Which one is the right? The passive form of the sentence, imperative, WH question, all types of questions will be there. Okay. So apart from this, if you have any query, we can solve. Just type in your chat box what else that do you want from me right now. Either do you need revision of active passive of or of reading skill or of a homonym. Just let me know. Or else let me ask you question. Okay. What is extensive reading? Just for 10-15 minutes we will have mock test. After that you also have mock test by the sir. We will also have just for 10 5 of or 10 or 15 minutes. Those who know the answer just can unmute the mic and answer. What is extensive reading? Who will tell? Nawaz Khan, unmute your mic and tell us what is extensive reading. Tirth,
Yes, sir.
what is extensive reading? Can you tell us? Yes, Kishan has written in the chat box. reading for pleasure and for general understanding. So in that way, intensive, what is scanning, what is skimming. Okay, reading for just a gist of idea. What type of reading it is called? Type in your chat box. Reading for gist, getting gist of idea or a gist of information. It is skimming. Very good. And reading for specific information. When you want something specific, what type of reading it is? It is scanning. Or when you are reading your study book. Very good. When you are reading your textbook, which is there in your syllabus, it is intensive. Intensive means very careful reading, very accurate reading. Yes, very good. Or if you are reading a novel, you are reading a novel, it is what type of reading? Reading a novel, it is what type of reading? It is extensive, yes. It is for, yes, general understanding and it is for pleasure. Reading, when you are reading or pronouncing words at a time, it is good or bad? It is obstacle or it is one of the important tips. Now tell me, what is subvocalized? What is subvocalized reading? हाँ, internal sounding, loudly નહીં. ઓકે, રીડિંગ અને વર્ડને જે રીતે આપણે લાઉડલી વાંચતા હોય એ રીતે મનમાં એ શબ્દોને બોલવા. રીડિંગ ઇનસાઇડ, ઇન્ટરનલ રીડિંગ. Not making noise, but reading loud internally without making noise. And loud reading, pronouncing what should be avoided. It is one of the obstacles in reading. Reading should always be done silently. What is the speed of average college student? What is the reading ideal reading speed for the average college student? It is 120, 100 to 200. Yes. આ બધા ફિગર ખાસ તમે પાકા કરી લેજો. What is the ideal speed when your purpose is remembering? When your purpose is remembering, what is your speed? Very good. Yes, fewer than 100 words. And what is your speed when your purpose is learning? Okay. And what is your speed when your purpose is, yes, comprehending? And what should be your speed when you are skimming? Yes, 400 to 700 words. Very good. So all these figures you have to remember. Now what is the full name of SQ3R? Now એક એક હું તમને પૂછું. S for survey. Very good. Q for question. પછી 3 R છે, 3 R. R first R for read. Very good. Second R for recite. And third R for review. So it is survey, question, read, recite and review. ઓકે, સો આ બધું કદાચ તમને એક્ઝામમાં પૂછાઈ શકે. વેરી ગુડ, બટ તમારો કમાન્ડ સારો છે રીડિંગ સ્કિલ ઉપર, વાંધો નહીં આવે. પછી એક સેન્ટેન્સ હું આપું છું, એનું તમે પેસિવ બનાવો. ઓપન ધ બુક. ઓપન ધ બુક. કન્વર્ટ ધીસ સેન્ટેન્સ ઇન્ટુ પેસિવ. ઓપન ધ બુક. કન્ફ્યુઝ થઈ ગયા? આમાં રિક્વેસ્ટ તો નથી, આઈ રિક્વેસ્ટ યુ ટુ ઓપન ટુ બુક, પ્લીઝ ઓપન ધ બુક, એવું જ નથી. લેટ ધ બુક બી ઓપન્ડ, એવું નહીં આવે? રિક્વેસ્ટ હોય તો યુ આર રિક્વેસ્ટેડ ટુ. યસ. લેટ ધ બુક બી ઓપન્ડ. યસ. લેટ પ્લસ સબ્જેક્ટ પ્લસ બી પ્લસ V3. પ્લીઝ ઓપન ધ બુક, તો એનું શું થઈ જાય? યુ આર રિક્વેસ્ટેડ ટુ ઓપન ધ બુક. એડવાઇસ હોય તો હેલ્પ ધ પુઅર. શુડ બી થઈ જશે ત્યાં. ધ પુઅર શુડ બી હેલ્પ્ડ. રીડ એવરી ડે. સજેશન. You are suggested to read every day. Okay, so in this way, I think your command is, so today you have still 2 days, and also you have idea that what type of questions, in what you need, what many marks, everything is now clear in your mind. Just go through them. In homonyms case, you have to prepare only 30 homonyms. It is also very easy, and still you have Saturday and Sunday, so prepare well. I expect from all of you to obtain 30 out of 30. બરાબર? ઉતાવળ નહીં કરતા. અમુક ક્વેશ્ચન એવા ટ્રિકી હશે, 5 તો એવા ડિફિકલ્ટ હશે કે તમે કન્ફ્યુઝ થઈ જશો, આવડતું હશે તો પણ. એટલે ઓવર કોન્ફિડન્સ નહીં રાખવાનું, શાંતિથી ચારેય ઓપ્શન બરાબર વાંચી લેવાના. બરાબર? 45 મિનિટ્સમાં આરામથી 30 મિનિટ્સમાં બધાના આન્સર તમે આપી શકશો. એટલે કે ઉતાવળ કરવાની જરૂર નથી કે ટાઈમ ઘટશે, એવું કંઈ નહીં થાય. ઓકે, એટલે ઉતાવળ કર્યા વગર શાંતિથી અટેમ્પ કરજો. તો ટાર્ગેટ એવો જ રાખવાનો છે બધાએ કે 30 આઉટ ઓફ 30 ક્વેશ્ચન આપણે માર્ક મેળવવાના છે. ધેટ શુડ બી અવર ટાર્ગેટ. બરાબર? અને બહારથી કશું કંઈ પૂછાવાનું નથી. આપણે જેટલું કર્યું છે ને મેન્શન તમને કર્યું છે એમાંથી જ પૂછાવાનું છે. તો એટલું સારુંથી તૈયાર કરી નાખો. ધેર વિલ બી 30 આઉટ ઓફ 30. બરાબર. પણ હોમોનિમમાં કદાચ 3-4 સેન્ટેન્સીસ એવા બને કે બેઠે બેઠું એમાં નહીં હોય. બરાબર. પણ તમે સમજ્યા હશો તો તમે બરાબર એને બ્લેન્ક આપેલી હશે તો એમાં એ બ્લેન્કમાં સુટેબલ વર્ડ, એનો રાઈટ વર્ડ તમે ત્યાં પ્લેસ કરી શકશો. પણ MCQ છે એટલે વાંધો નહીં આવે. Okay, so we end here. You have, other classes also. Prepare well. Best of luck for the exam. Okay, write your roll number and we end here. Stop here. Thank you. Have a nice day.